I told you all to comment what things should be added in the game, and a few of you commented to make a working gun and not just a dummy model. And do you know what we need to make a working gun? Yes, a gun. And let me quickly clear most of your doubt. To be honest, I'm not from India. So let's fire up the Photoshop and let me show off my awesome skills. And here is our first gun. But just one gun is not enough for a battle royale game. So here is our other gun. And just to make it clear, this is neither AWM nor bolt action. This is Asnator. Someone please answer his question. Now let's run the game and fire our brand new gun. Well, that was not what I intended to make. I quickly tried to fix that, but here comes a twist. The clip that I'm going to show you is one of my favorite bugs that I've ever faced. If you don't know what a bug is, then it is a harmful microorganism, typically a bacterium. Got it? Me neither. So let's keep it at the side and see my favorite bug. Did you notice it? The thing that I liked is how the character is being duplicated. Not only that, but it is being duplicated with alternate gun holding characters. I really like this, but the fact is that this was not what I wanted to make. So I had to delete this not working code with tears on my eyes. I fixed that and here comes the next issue. Nothing bad happens until I pick the first gun up. But when I try to swap the gun, both of the guns disappear. Now you can pick your first gun up without any problems, and when you pick up the second gun, it gets picked up. But the problem is that we wanted this Asnator gun on the ground rather than this revolver. And just like that, the problem is solved and you can pick up the second gun too. Fuck. Now you can pick any number of guns without any problems. Let me tell you how I fixed it. It's quite interesting. I first wrote this code. It caused both of the guns to get vanished. Then I removed that code and wrote another lines of code. In this stage, only one of the two guns got vanished. But the interesting thing is I again copied this exact lines of code and surprisingly it worked. I don't know how it worked, what happened, but yeah, it worked. So cheers for that. Suppose you have a gun and 10 enemies are coming towards you to kill you instead of fighting with each other. Then what do you think is the best choice to do? Of course, throw your fucking gun and fucking run for your life. There is no way you can defeat 10 enemies cause you don't know how bad they are gonna be at the end of the game. Unless it's me. I mean, I can easily kill all 100 enemies, so I am an exception. But for people like you all who are not as pro as me, you can simply throw the gun on the floor without picking other guns and start running for your life. This is a battle royale game. It has no one except you and yeah, you. Basically, you are lonely out here in this entire map.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
If you have watched my previous video completely, then at the last I added this dumb piece of shit and named it enemy. All it did was chase you once you went near it. I thought about an enemy character for about an hour. I thought of making this our enemy, or this, or this, or this. Oh no, I would never make her our enemy. Else you all will start doing something else instead of playing the game. But none of you will believe what I did. I took our player, changed his hair color, and boom, here is our enemy. Be sure to rate this enemy out of 10. Let's see what he does. Yo man, maintain social distance. Get the fucking away from me. Now he comes toward you and maintain some social distance. Fuck social distance, this is a game. If you notice properly, then this enemy doesn't always face the player. but I modified him in such a way that now he always faced towards the player. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but you can see that the eyes of this enemy character jumps up and down. I didn't make it intentionally, but I liked it. Let me know what you think. If you have been noticing carefully, then we have a player, we also have an enemy and few guns. But the main component of the Battle Royale game is still missing, bullets. This game only has guns but no bullets to shoot. This is the best gun in the game. Don't forget its name. It's ASnator, not a freaking AWM or a bolt action. Since this is the best gun in the game, you will get limited amount of bullets, and over that you cannot shoot continuously. You need to wait for 3 or 4 seconds before you can shoot another bullet. This is just a normal rifle gun, so it shoots pretty quickly compared to ASnator. But the problem that exists is that you can shoot infinite number of bullets, and that shouldn't be the case. Before solving the infinite bullet problem, I added this text over here just so you can see how many bullets are remaining with you. You need to search and pick the bullets up so that you can fire. I wrote this line of codes and it seems to work. When you pick up the bullets, first thing is that the bullets don't get removed from the ground after you pick them up, and the next thing is it looks absolutely trash. And you won't even know how many bullets you picked from the ground. So do you know what is the thing that makes anything look fantastic? Of course, animation. So whenever you pick up the bullets on the ground slowly fade out and the text pop-ups indicating the number of bullets you picked up. And did I mention this or not, that the bullets get automatically picked up? You don't need to press any keys to pick the bullets up. Just go near the bullets and you have them. And this is it for this part. I'm getting extremely less time to make games and videos due to my online classes, and I also have to make videos for my other channel. So I think you will bear with my schedule and wait until I release this game.